Hello. Are you ready? Yes. I am. High five. Can you show teacher where is rooster? Yes. Where is rooster? Going to rooster. Good. Where is pig? Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Yes. Going to pig. Going to like this. Yes. Say pig. Where is hen? Mommy chicken. Yes. Going to say hen. Okay. Where is sheep? Sheep. Where is sheep? Yes, very good. Okay, where is horse? Horse. Hey, very good. Where is goat? Good. Yes, good. Where is duck? Quack, 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 quack. Yes. Where's duck? This one. And last one, where is cow? Moo. Ooh, very good. Perfect. Okay, now, can you tell teacher what animal is this? It's a... Ooh, good. A dog say... Woof. Woof, woof. Yes, what animal is this? It's a... It's going, okay? Pig. Yes. What animal is this? It's a duck. Good. A duck say quack. Yes. And what animal is this? It's a cat. It's a cat. A cat say meow. Yes. And what animal is this? It's a horse. Very good. A horse say neigh, neigh. What animal is this? It's a sheep. Very good. A sheep say ma, ma. Yes. And what animal is this? It's a good. A rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo. What animal is this? It's a cow. Good. What animal is this? It's a goat. It's a goat. Good. What animal is this? It's a... Ooh, very good. What animal is this? It's a... Ooh, perfect. What animal is this? It's a... Good. It's a chick. And last one. It's a... Rat. Ooh, perfect. Boom. Thank you. Bye-bye.